everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create a CSS button with circle indicator. First, create an HTML file button and class also button, and command to CSS file. Select HTML and body, height 100%. Select background color for HTML 31, 33 and 36. Now select view, height 100%, display flex, and also align item center, justify content center. Now dot and your class name button, minimum width 300 pixel, minimum height 60 pixel, font family, okay, now enter, sans serif, and font size 22 pixel, text transform uppercase, letter spacing 1.3, font weight 700, color 31, 31, 33. Okay, and select background H4FD1C5, background gradient 90 degree RGBA 1, okay, alpha 1 and 0% and alpha 100%. Now select a border none, border radius 1000 pixel, border box shadow 12 pixel, 12, 24 RGBA, okay, alpha 0.64 and transition all 0.3 scant, as in out, 0 scant, cursor pointer, outline none, padding none, padding 10 pixel, sorry, and now select a button or before content, border radius 1000 pixel, minimum weight and height, border 6 pixel solid, and select color, box shadow 0060 pixel RGBA, position absolute, top 50% and left 50%. Transparent, translate minus 50%, minus 50%. Opacity 0. Transition all 0.3 scant, as in out, 0 scant. Now select dot button hold, comma button dot and focus color, and also select transparent, translate minus 6 pixel, button hold, before and button focus, before, opacity 1, and now select a button after content, single quotation, weight 30 pixel, height 30 pixel, border radius 100%, border 6 pixel solid, and select color, position absolute, z index minus 1, top 50%, left 50%, transparent, translate minus 50 pixel, minus 50 pixel, animation rank 1.5 second, and finish. Button hold after and button focus after. animation none, display none. Now select keyframes rank for 0%, width 30 pixel, height 30 pixel, and opacity 1. Now select for 100%, width 300, height 300, and opacity 0. Now come on to HTML5 run. Okay, now just come on to CSS file and change this to 50%, and now come on, this is working fine. Thank you for watching.